Some good news for the South Korean economy. The nation's exports of medicine and medical supplies hit a record high last year, showing signs that Korea's medicine industry is growing both in quantity and quality. Mok-yeon reports.
South Korea's exports of local medicines and medical supplies surpassed the 5 trillion won mark in 2018, recording an all-time high in the sector. The Ministry of Food and Drug Safety announced on Monday that the total exports of Korean medical products reached $4.67 billion in 2018, up nearly 15% from the previous year. The sector has been growing rapidly over the past 5 years, with an average annual growth rate of 17.9% since 2014. By item, overseas shipments of finished medicines ready for consumption made up 66% of the exports, followed by biomedicines, which accounted for 33%. By destination, exports to Europe were the highest with nearly $998 million in sales, followed by Asia with $155 million and North America with $126 million. Export growth was most evident in Turkey, which jumped nearly 137% on year, followed by Germany with 108% and Indonesia with 48%. The ministry attributed the rise in exports to outstanding performances from local pharmaceutical companies on the global stage. It said that with more local biomedicines receiving licenses from abroad, Korea's medicine industry is growing both in quality and quantity. Mok-yeon, Arirang News.